CES is packed with smart home tech this year, but here's the real question. What happened when one company tries to reinvent every part of your home using AI? Today we're at Dreamy's booth to find out. When most people hear the name Dreamy, they think robot vacuums. But at CES 2026, Dreamy is showing something much bigger. This booth isn't just about cleaning floors, it's more about building a connected ecosystem for your entire home. Let's go ahead and take a look. With Dreamy's official product launch, they're unveiling the newest innovation across multiple categories. This is where Dreamy sets the tone for the year, showing how AI, automation, and design are coming together across their lineup. Let's start with what Dreamy is best known for, robot vacuums and floor care. Here you'll see the latest robot vacuum systems, focused on smarter navigation, stronger cleaning performance, and more automation through advanced AI mapping. All right, so I got Eric over here. Eric, can you tell us a little bit more about the vacuums?
Yeah, hi everybody. Welcome to Dreamy RCS Blues. So for our X60 this year, to see it's doing the obstacle avoidance. We can recognize up to 280 obstacles.
Okay.
So it's not gonna bump into stuff like the traditional robot vacuums. And also this is definitely an overachiever in the robot vacuum industry. The power suction is 35,000 Pascal.
Oh, that's strong.
Yeah, super strong. And then for the station wise, we also offer, as you know, we offer a vacuum and mop. So the station over there, you can see it contains with one clean water tank.
Oh.
And on the other side would be the wastewater tank. So right here, you can see that we have a clean water tank.
Okay.
The clean water tank goes down here. This is where the washboard is. We're using hot water to clean and then dissolve the oil.
Well, yeah, exactly.
And then right here in the center part, you can see we have a dust bag that lasts for around 100 days. And it's just like a quarterly check this. I'm gonna put this back real quick.
Yeah.
And on the other side would be the cleaning solution compartments. So on top, this is where the top system is retractable.
Right.
And then the good thing about the retractable LiDAR mount is that it will go under furniture. It's not slower.
All right, so something that really stands out to me is this one here. This is a Cyberton Ultra?
Yes.
Okay, so this has a robotic arm in it, and it comes out. So how does that work? Can you tell us a little bit more about it?
You can see here is a cover, and when the robot wants to come out, the cover will opens, and the robot will stretch his arms to outside.
It can pick up your socks, it can pick up...
Yes. That's about the best function of this robot is like we have a accessory box. Can see?
Oh,
you see, yeah. We have 3 different tools, vacuums and 2 brushes. Yeah, the robot
so you can actually change tools, and it can get like a brush, you can individually vacuum while clean. That is cool.
Dreamy also unveiled the new Cyber X. This isn't a robot for climbing stairs, it's a smart carrier. The new Cyber X from Dreamy works like an escalator for a robot, safely transporting it from one floor to another automatically. No lifting, no guessing. Multi-floor cleaning just leveled up.
Air quality is a huge part at the modern smart home, and Dreamy's air purifiers actually monitor and improve the air. Now, can you go ahead and tell us a little bit more about these air purifiers behind us?
Sure, of course. So what we have here, we have 4 air purifier products, but today I'm going to focus on this little guy.
Okay.
Right, so this is an air purifier designed especially for people with pets at home.
Oh, for pets, okay.
Yeah, so with pets, there are normally 2 problems. They shed fur, hair all around us in the air, on the floor.
Right.
And then they also will have some odor that comes naturally with pets.
Okay.
So this product is designed especially to tackle these 2 problems.
So tackle the deodorizer. Yeah.
Exactly. So dirty air goes in from the bottom of the product.
Okay.
We have designed the air inlet area to be small, just like a vacuum cleaner.
Yeah.
Really strong suction, sucks in all the fur on the floor, in the air, after 2 meters away, goes into the machine. After 5 layers of filtration, clean air comes out of pop.
Oh, nice. Dreamy is also pushing hard into cordless vacuums, lightweight designs with serious power, built for quick daily cleanups.
To you, absolutely is the new technology, but maybe we're not going to launch exactly the same name, the same model, but we're going to use this new technology, anti-tangle technology, for splitting edge receiving. And also, you can try. It's just one tap to open it. The right press. Yes, press it. Yeah, we have the blue light.
Green light, blue light.
Why? It's more visible to see the dots. Yeah, you can see it's 60 seconds. And after that, there is
The real test.
go. And you can see how it works. Can you so this see? I'll just show you. This one is clean, right?
Okay.
Clean, and I'll just open it to show how it works to cut the hair. You can see they have
Wow, it actually moves.
yeah, it's safety.
Okay.
You can press it by
I can massage. Okay. I like the fact that the detangling brush vibrates. So usually you see it get stuck in there, but that's an extra measure.
and even we can use for longer hair for testing for summertime say success.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna use this new technology and the new products we will launch in the middle of this year.
All right. Exciting. Personal care is also another big focus, especially with their hair dryers engineered for fast drying while protecting hair health. Dreamy is even taking automation outside the home. From robotic lawnmowers that handle yard maintenance to pool cleaners, they keep your pool spotless with minimal effort. This is smart cleaning that goes beyond the walls. What Dreamy is showing at CES 2026 isn't just a product lineup, it's strategy, a future where AI-powered devices handle everyday tasks, so you can spend less time cleaning and more time actually living. With that said, be sure to check out Dreamy down below to learn more. And otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.